Hey guys, I've been MIA for about 2 months now, actually. I was about to say 1 month, but I realized it's been 2 months since I've been MIA. And I just wanted to make this quick update video talking about where I've been and where I'm going to be going and what I'm doing basically for the next couple months. To sum it up, I was in school for the last several years and I just graduated. The reason I've been MIA for the last 2 months is because I was at the end of my last semester and it was just a very stressful time. And I had to give all my focus to that just to finish, and now I'm done. So I'm going to be graduating in June, and now I'm just going to be working full time on the channel for a bit. Obviously, I'm going to be relaxing on the side, so I'm going to enjoy my time off, enjoy being unemployed completely now because I am no longer employed anywhere. I'm taking a break from everything. So yeah, I'm just going to be working on videos, but specifically what I'm going to be working on is the 3D RPG action Souls-like game tutorial that I promised a while back. I've been working on it, but I wasn't really happy with the quality. I was trying to work on it throughout the semester, but then, yeah, again, I just wasn't happy with the way things were turning out. It felt rushed, and it didn't feel like you guys deserved what I was making. So I'm basically re-recording all of it again from scratch. So it's just going to take a bit of time. I'm also going to be editing a lot of it. So it's going to, again, take a little bit of time. I estimate probably another month until that entire series is out because I want to finish recording everything before giving it out to you guys. So give it about another month. But in the meantime, I will try to upload weekly videos for you guys. Maybe weekly, bi-weekly, something like that. But I do want to get back into the channel a little bit and not be completely dead. So yeah, I'm going to return basically is what I'm saying. That's kind of it. I have been working a little bit on my website as well, the platform codingquest.io. If you guys haven't checked that out yet, there is a lot of free content on the site. So go check it out. I've been working very hard on it, and I do plan on expanding it and hiring several UI artists and stuff like that. And if you guys have any advice on what you want improved on it or anything like that, please give me some advice or any thoughts you guys have in building the site, then please do. A lot of the instructions are made by me, obviously. So yeah, if you guys want more text-based or just step-by-step instructions on coding and Godot, go check out my site. I've handcrafted a lot of it. It was very time consuming, but it's coming together quite well and I'm pretty happy with it. So go check it out at codingquest.io, and I will see you guys at the next video.